Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a really quick 10-minute clean with me. We are going to straighten up the living room and then I'm going to take you downstairs into the kids' playroom. Now, I don't think I've shown my basement on any of my cleaning videos yet. It is a work in progress. I have a lot of ideas for what I want to do down there. But for today's video, we are just going to straighten up and get everything looking clean and tidy. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe if you like my videos. I post cleaning videos every Thursday and Sunday, and I would love to have you a part of my YouTube community here. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Tell me about yourself. Let me know your favorite room to clean, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I always have that link down in the description. Thank you guys. Let's go ahead and get this quick 10-minute clean with me going.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me listen And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring a bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Okay, guys, that is going to be it for my quick 10-minute clean with me. I hope you guys got as much cleaning done as possible in 10 minutes like I did. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you'd like to see. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to have you guys here a part of my channel. Thank you, and I will see you guys next time.